Grandma, can we plant a pattern garden at home? Pink rose, white daisy, pink rose. Okay, rose goes first. Now sunflower. 2 scoops for the sunflower, 'cause it's a little shy. And back to rose. That makes 3 spots already.
Good job, Mina.
We can call it the Rainbow Parade Garden.
Hello, kids! I'm Captain AHS. Patterns are everywhere, from buzzing bees to bouncing balls. Let's spot the magic hiding in shapes, colors, and lines.
Look at this flower path. Red flower, yellow flower, red flower.
I see it. It's like the flowers are playing a color game. Red, yellow, red, yellow.
It's like they're taking turns.
Nature sure knows how to make patterns look pretty.
Can we plant a pattern garden at home? Pink rose, white daisy, pink rose.
Why not, my dear Mina? We can start right now. I brought some baby plants and seeds.
Yay! Let's do pink rose. Yellow sunflower, pink rose. Okay, rose goes first. Now sunflower. 2 scoops for the sunflower, 'cause it's a little shy. And back to rose. That makes 3 spots already.
Good job, Mina.
Grandma, can I try a longer pattern? Pink rose, sunflower, yellow tulip, pink rose, sunflower.
Oh, now that's a fancy garden pattern, mixing 3 flowers in a row.
We can call it the Rainbow Parade Garden.
And every flower is marching in line with their color buddies.
Even the butterflies are watching. I think they like our pattern garden.
They are saying, finally, a garden that makes sense.
Baba, that rug goes zigzag, dot, zigzag, dot.
Patterns everywhere, even in rugs. See the border? Red, blue, yellow, red, blue, yellow.
It's like the rug is singing a rainbow song.
And every line is dancing.
Can I paint a pot like that?
You'll be the master of dancing patterns.
Now it's the time for quiz. If you start a pattern like this, circle, triangle, circle, triangle, circle. What shape should come next to keep the pattern going? Option A, triangle. Option B, circle. If we look closely at the repeating order of shapes, option A is correct. Which picture shows a correct repeating color pattern? Option A, red, white, blue, red, white, blue, red. Option B, red, red, blue, blue, green. Excellent. Option A is correct. A repeating pattern follows the same order again and again. Which picture shows a pattern made with lines that changes direction? Option A, straight line, straight line, straight line, straight line. Option B, zigzag, curve, zigzag, curve, zigzag, curve. Good job! Option B is correct. Patterns can repeat shapes, colors, or how lines move. A pattern must always have the same shape and the same color to be correct. Is this statement true or false? This statement is false. Patterns can change shapes, colors, or both. They just need to repeat. You can make a pattern using triangles and squares by repeating them like triangle, square, triangle, square. Is this statement true or false? Yes, this statement is true. Patterns can change shapes, colors, or both. They just need to repeat. Good job, kids! Next time, we'll be diving into colors, characters, and a whole lot of imagination. Don't miss the magic! Until then, keep your pencils dancing and your story shining. Can't wait to see what you create next. Don't miss out on more free, interactive lessons. Hit subscribe and join us on the journey to education without boundaries.